Last year, Americans purchased an estimated 35 million live Christmas trees. And while real trees look and smell great, they can also pose a fire hazard if not properly maintained. To illustrate the potential of a devastating fire, Underwriters Laboratories compared the ignition rates of a freshly watered tree and a dry tree. While both trees initially caught fire, the dry tree was engulfed in flames within seconds.
A dry tree can be a real fire hazard. That's why it's important to remember when you're buying a tree, run your hands along the branches. If you end up with a handful of needles, it means you should look for a fresher tree. Many people don't realize that a tree will consume a quart of water for each inch of diameter. That means if, for example, you have a 2-inch diameter tree, it could initially consume a half gallon of water each day.
Dragonberg also recommends a fresh cut at the tree's base when you bring it home. This allows the tree to absorb water and prolong freshness. And where you decide to put your tree is equally important.
Remember, when you set up your tree, to keep it at least 3 feet from heat sources such as heating vents, radiators, and fireplaces. And also, no matter how well you water your tree, trees should not be kept up longer than 4 weeks.